GitHub has become the definitive repository for cybersecurity tools and scripts, hosting an incredible array of open-source projects that security professionals, ethical hackers, and researchers rely on daily for penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and digital forensics. Among the thousands of available repositories, 10 tools stand out for their popularity, power, and widespread adoption in both educational and professional security contexts. Topping this list is Metasploit Framework, an expansive penetration testing platform that provides security teams with comprehensive exploit development and delivery capabilities, allowing users to systematically test vulnerabilities by leveraging a constantly updated database of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules that can target everything from web applications to network infrastructure. What makes Metasploit particularly powerful is its modular architecture, which enables security researchers to write and integrate custom exploits using Ruby, while its Metasploit payload provides advanced post-exploitation features, including privilege escalation, lateral movement, and persistent backdoor installation that mimics sophisticated adversary tradecraft. Close behind in popularity is Nmap, Network Mapper, the legendary port scanning tool that has become synonymous with network reconnaissance, capable of discovering live hosts, identifying operating systems, detecting service versions, and even mapping network topology through advanced scripting techniques that can evade firewall detection and analyze response timings to infer network architecture. For web application security, Burp's Suite Community Edition represents the industry standard for manual security testing, functioning as an intercepting proxy that allows security researchers to inspect, modify, and replay HTTPS requests to identify vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and business logic flaws, with extensibility through BAPs that add specialized scanning capabilities for emerging threats. Similarly, SQLmap has earned its reputation as the definitive automated SQL injection tool, capable of detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities across dozens of database management systems with sophisticated inference-based techniques that can extract database schemas, retrieve sensitive data, and even achieve remote code execution on vulnerable servers through its powerful enumeration engine. In the wireless security domain, AirCrack NG remains the most comprehensive suite for assessing Wi-Fi network security, providing tools for packet capture, WEP, and WPA2 PSK cracking through dictionary and statistical attacks, packet injection for network traffic manipulation, and sophisticated analysis of wireless network protocols that reveals configuration weaknesses and cryptographic vulnerabilities. The password cracking landscape is dominated by Hashcat, the self-proclaimed world's fastest and most advanced password recovery tool, which leverages GPU acceleration to execute brute force, dictionary, rule-based, and hybrid attacks against hundreds of hash types, with optimized algorithms that can test billions of password combinations per second, making it indispensable for security assessments that test organizational password policies against realistic attack scenarios. For vulnerability scanning and network discovery, OpenVS, Open Vulnerability Assessment System, provides a comprehensive framework for identifying security issues across networked systems, featuring thousands of network vulnerability tests, NVTs, that check for misconfigurations, unpatched software, and known vulnerabilities with continuous updates from the Greenbone community feed that ensure coverage of the latest security advisories and exploit techniques. In the social engineering and phishing assessment space, GoPhish has emerged as the leading open-source phishing framework, offering security teams an intuitive platform for creating convincing phishing campaigns, tracking user interactions, and generating detailed reports that measure organizational susceptibility to social engineering attacks while providing educational moments that improve employee security awareness. The relatively newer Impacket library has gained tremendous popularity for its sophisticated collection of Python classes, focused on providing low-level programmatic access to network protocols, enabling security researchers to craft custom packets and implement client-server interactions for protocols like SMB, MSRPC, and DCERPC, which is particularly valuable for executing and analyzing attacks in Windows environments, including pass-the-hash techniques, Kerberos exploitation, and Active Directory enumeration that form the backbone of modern internal penetration testing methodologies. Rounding out this list is John the Ripper, the legendary password cracking tool that has evolved far beyond its original Unix roots to become a multi-platform, multi-hash cracking powerhouse with community-enhanced versions that support hundreds of hash and cipher types, alongside innovative rule-based mutation engines that can generate millions of password variants from base word lists to crack even moderately complex passwords with surprising efficiency. What makes these GitHub repositories particularly valuable is their active maintenance and community support, with thousands of contributors reporting issues, submitting pull requests, and creating extensive documentation that lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring security professionals. The ethical use of these tools cannot be overstated. They are designed for authorized security testing, educational environments, and research contexts where their powerful capabilities can help identify and remediate vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them. The sophistication of these tools reflects the evolving nature of cybersecurity threats, with frameworks like Metasploit incorporating features specifically designed to test cloud environments and containerized infrastructure, while wireless tools like AirCrack-NG have expanded to address vulnerabilities in newer protocols like WPA3. Similarly, the password cracking capabilities of Hashcat and John the Ripper have driven important conversations about password policy effectiveness and the critical importance of multi-factor authentication in modern security architectures. For those learning cybersecurity, these tools provide hands-on experience with the same technologies used by professional penetration testers and red teams, offering practical insight into vulnerability exploitation, defensive countermeasures, and the continuous cycle of attack and defense that characterizes modern information security. As these projects continue to evolve on GitHub, they not only democratize access to advanced security testing capabilities, but also foster a global community of security researchers committed to improving digital security through open collaboration, knowledge sharing, and the development of tools that help make our increasingly connected world more resilient against cyber threats.